Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a website to Google Search Console. So once you go and open your Google Search Console, that's search.google.com/search.console, or you can simply search for Google Search Console on Google Search. And once you open it, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, here you have your websites, or on Google Search Console they are named properties. If you click here, you can see all your websites, and click here to add property or website. Now, you have the choice between domain or URL prefix. So I'll choose domain. I'll enter the domain name that I have. Okay, continue. And now they are verifying the domain name. And now here they give me instructions for GoDaddy.com. And indeed, this domain name is purchased on GoDaddy.com. So I need to click on Start Verification. It'll open up here GoDaddy and ask me to authorize the connection. Click on Connect. And now it'll go back to Google Search Console. Okay, seems like there is something wrong with the verification. Let's verify it later. And now if I go to my properties, I'll see here that my domain property is now added. The domain name that I had on GoDaddy is now added to Google Search Console. However, it's not yet verified. You can go ahead and try to verify it later.